Heroes and YouTube family, this is Christian back in another video just for all of you guys. Man, we are back here with the Supra. We are going to be getting the Supra wrap today. That is right, we're gonna go ahead and get some wrap done on the Supra. We're gonna be cleaning it up a little bit, getting ready for all of these parts that have to be installed. And that's what we're gonna be doing first. Doing a lot of exterior mods, doing a lot of interior mods. We have a bunch of stuff also coming today. Alright guys, shout out to IWrap for help taking care of the car today. Just moved to this new shop, super clean. If you guys are in the Pacific Northwest area, please go ahead and check them out. Please go ahead and check them out. Oof. Supra is looking very, very nice. We're gonna go ahead and get it prepped for you guys. And this is a really, really nice shop. Really, really big shop. Very, very nice, guys.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through?
Really quick, man, the red and the white. Is there a better combination, guys? Let me know in the comments below what your guys' favorite combination is for these Supras. White and red is 100% mine. Let me know what you guys think down below. What is your favorite? I think white is probably by far, like I don't even think it's close, the best color for these Supras. I think it really shows out the body lines. Like, I think this is also one of my favorite looks and just viewpoints of the Supra. I think this does a great job of showing you how curvy it is. Man, those lines are just great. The white and the red look fantastic. And we're just getting started. We have a whole bunch of stuff. Like I said, we have the deck lid coming. We got the new mirror caps coming. We got the front splitter coming. And a whole bunch of other stuff. We got the rear diffuser parts coming. So this thing's gonna look really, really good, really, really soon.
We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the Senate.
Alright guys, so what he did was he did the top portion right here. Man, that came out so awesome. He's doing it in pieces so that way it doesn't bubble up, so that's why you're not seeing it in one piece. But if you guys can really see the detail of this work, it is absolutely fantastic how clean that came out. And overall, you guys, I'm telling you, come to IWrap if you want your cars taken care of for any type of work, any type of wrap, business, corporate, company, logos, or just color changes on your car. Come to IWrap. Come check out this awesome business. And this is a family-run business, guys. So go ahead and help out your local family-run businesses in the area. Let's get back to the video.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like.
Damn, look at that. You did a really, really good job. That's like a mirror back here. You guys can see yourselves. Look at that mirror reflection. It's a nice quality black right there.
Wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I?
Hey, that came out nice.
Oh, yeah.
That came out good. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. Yeah, that looks perfect. Yeah, I love how that came out. That looks great. Oh, that looks great. Now we're starting to get somewhere, man. Now we're starting to get somewhere. That looks fantastic. Woo. Yeah, that's exactly what I was talking about. That is perfect. Yeah, that is absolutely perfect. Dang, that's so perfect. Look at this, guys. Dang, that's so good. So good. Now that rear is looking aggressive. Oof. Man, look at that, guys. Look how great that looks. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, I see. So you like use the heat so it sticks a little better?
Yes, see all the
Yeah.
remove all the scratches.
Yeah, that was gonna say. So it helps remove like the scratches and the bubbles and stuff.
And then it show me if the bubbles there.
Yeah. Oh, I get it. Okay. That makes sense. Man, that was good. Yeah, that looks nice, you know?
Yeah.
So just trying to show off the different work you guys do.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Yeah, of course, man. All right, y'all, so what we're actually gonna do is, because I do love that red kind of breaks up the black there now, we're actually gonna be having those reflectors red, and we're actually gonna be blacking these out on the sides. I think that's gonna be a really awesome look. So like I said, we're gonna be blacking out the sides and keeping those red. And I love that decision, my man. You're correct. I was looking at that too. I was like, wait a minute, no, it's just. So we'll do the blacks on the sides, and we'll keep the red on the back. That is clutch. Yeah, that's pretty clutch. I like that. Yeah, you guys, I think that's gonna be so much better. Yeah, that looks better. I like that. The black on the sides. That's nice. I've been trying to go and showing the process of like all the little things he does, so people can really kind of see like, hey, we do wraps, but this is kind of the prep we do for it and that type of stuff. Yeah. Alright guys, take a look at this. Now this is how the Supra should have came from factory. We got the black on the sides, got the black right there, and we got the red. Man, look how aggressive that looks. This is just a stock body. We don't even have the wing on. We don't have the diffuser. Look at that. That's probably the perfect angle right there. It looks good, guys. It looks. Woo! All right, we are back. We got the car finished with the wrap. Do love, man. It looks so much better having that red in the back to match with the red, but then also having the sides in black. We have a whole bunch of stuff coming very soon. We got the door handles coming. We got the carbon fiber shifter. We have the front splitter. We have the mirror caps. We have the spoiler in the back, and we have the diffuser and a bunch of other things coming over the next few videos and next few days. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, follow the journey, the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Everyone have a great day, a blessed day, y'all. Stay safe, y'all. Peace.